Now more than ever, businesses need more versatile options to collaborate and develop ideas. Understanding this need, Samsung has partnered with business collaboration leader Cisco. At InfoComm 2019, the two latest collaboration projects between Samsung and Cisco were announced to revolutionize the modern conference room: Webex Flip and Huddle in a Box.
We believe that firmly this allows us to expand our reach into every part of how you think about the huddle journey.
Webex Flip is built specially for collaboration, featuring wireless screen sharing for video conferences and whiteboarding. You can easily make a conference call from one Webex Flip to another with a few simple taps. Now, simply select the whiteboard menu and get started. The pen-to-paper feel of the Flip allows you to write freely and instantly express and share your ideas. All participants can contribute simultaneously. What you write appears on both screens to help facilitate real-time collaboration. In addition to large meeting rooms, there is a growing demand from businesses for smaller and more convenient huddle spaces with video conferencing, content sharing, and collaborative software. Designed specifically for huddle spaces, Samsung's UHD Signage 49-inch and Cisco's Webex Room Kit Mini feature simple installation and a seamless user experience. This powerful collaboration solution features optimal 4K resolution and a streamlined experience with a single control interface.